Hello everyone, welcome to app tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can sign up your Metamask account or create a new account on the Metamask app. So let's start. First of all, open the Metamask app that we have previously downloaded. After you open the Metamask app, you will find a screen like this. Tap on get started to create a new account. Then after you will find a screen like this. You can either import an existing account using a secret recovery phrase, or you can create a new wallet. In order to sign up with a new account, tap on create a new wallet. Then agree the privacy policy. In the next screen, you will have to create a password for your Metamask account. Follow the instructions and create a strong password. After you enter your password, tap on create password. At this stage, you will have to keep your secret recovery phrase secure so that no one will be able to access it and use your wallet without your permission or use your wallet illegally. You can read the instructions at this screen and follow them. As you finish that, your new account will be created on the Metamask app. So this is how you can sign up on Metamask and create a new account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.